Welcome to Forex Travels. Today we'll be analyzing NAS100 and USDCHF. Before wasting time, let's get into today's video. So I'll start by analyzing USDCHF. So as you can see, I've already laid out all the levels that I'm seeing on the market. So now you're on the daily time frame. You can see this level is supported, this one, and this one. So I'll just move to the 4-hour time frame just to save time on this analysis. Okay, so as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, this is what we have. We can see that the market has been ranging inside this pattern right over here, but it seems like it's around here now. So if we try to draw some levels inside this level, we can inside this pattern over here, or the ranging market, you can see you have another level over here. So let me just change the color to gray. Okay, so I'm starting from this point over here. I can see a beautiful trend line going to the upper side, and by just drawing this trend line on the 4-hour time frame, let me just remove this level for now. By just drawing this trend line on the 4-hour time frame, it tells me that we have the first, second, third, fourth touch over here has been respected. So by the looks of things, I can see that the market is pushing to the upper side because of the fourth touch. So let us cater for the upper side as well. Okay, starting from here. Okay, first touch, second touch. Okay, so as you can see, I'm trying by all means to use the wicks of the candlesticks, but if you want to, you can just use the body of the candlesticks. Still fine with that way. So you can see that the market has been pushing to the upside. On the upper side, you have the first, second, third, but on the lower side, you have the fourth touch. So we are going to anticipate the fourth touch over here. Sorry, guys, over here. So basically, and you can see as well that this level over here, the market tends to take a break or change its direction or create a long rejection. So for this one, you're gonna trade it like this. So this was supposed to be your entry level. Overall target is over here, and then stop loss. Okay, let me just use this so I can give you guys a correct stop loss over here. So this is how you should trade. First take profit over here, another take profit over here. You can ride with it up until here, but to be honest, I just lose over here when you touch this straight line over here. Actually close most of profit right over here. So as you can see, this is what we have on USDCHF. Even if we move to the 1 hour time frame, still the same scenario. So there's nothing much going on. So for now, we're anticipating buy movement on USDCHF. Let us move to NAS100. Okay, so now we are on NAS100 on the daily time frame. So as you can see, this is what we have. This is our chart, guys. Just zoom in a bit. I've already laid out all the levels that I'm seeing on the market, so I'm not gonna waste time with this one because I think we had did analyze over. I don't remember well. Okay, this one is not correct. Okay. So as you can see, I tried using the body of the candlestick. Guys, I know most of you could say I should use this, put it over here. But if we were to move to, let me show you guys. If we were to move to the line chart, see how far-fetched it is. Hence, I'm saying I'm using the body of the candlestick, which is here, over here, and over here. And if we go back to the candles again, so you can see it makes sense. So that's mostly how I put it. So, but in this case, I want to cater for most touches. So I'm gonna put it like this over here, body, and I'm gonna use this body as well to put it over here so I can cater for these touches over here, so I don't have to draw any inner trend lines, you know. Also let us cater for the upper side as well, starting from over here. Okay, is it here? Yeah. Okay, and there you go. So we can see that the market is above there. Sorry, I just put okay. You can see that the market is going up until here. So you have first, second, third touches here, first, second, and you can have anticipate third touch over here. So if the market is about to touch this area here, you can anticipate sell movement over here. But bear in mind, we're still on the 4-hour time frame. You have to move to the 1-hour time frame to check if our scenario is correct or not. So let me just move to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so okay, let me just zoom in first. Like this. Okay, so let me just remove this arrow right over here. You can see that we have a level over here, guys. We should pay attention to it. Okay, from here, so this is our lowest low here. Inside the trend line and the trend building for me. So by just doing this, I'm getting the vibes of a rising wedge on this pattern right over here, on this area right over here. Okay, starting here again as well. This is the low, yeah, this is the highest low. Okay, here's the candlesticks. Not gonna use this. Okay, fine. Let me just put it over here. Put it over here. Okay, I hope you guys see this. We have first, second, and you can just be a third touch over here. First, second, so you can be a third touch before you push to the lower side. So you can see a jump, a kind of movement inside this. Because this market is moving like this, you can anticipate a touch over here before we push to the lower side, before we break out. So this is the kind of movement I'm anticipating on Nasdaq. So the moment we break this line, this dotted line over here, we are going to enter our sellers. And if it doesn't happen, it did not happen, guys. We don't control the market. We just predict what is going to happen and to wait for positions. Bear in mind, you're not supposed to chase the trades. You have to just analyze and wait for the setup to play themselves off. So, and our take profit for the sellers will be here, and the other one will be here, and the overall one. So yeah, guys, if you need more signal video, another signal video on Sunday, make sure this video gets 20 likes, then I'll just upload another video if you want it. So if you don't, it's totally fine. So yeah, this is what we should anticipate on NAS100. So yeah, that'll be all from us. FX Travels signing out.